the same time, we can be competitive, not be the cheapest, but be competitive. But also, it's about the services and so on, and also the easeability of buying on Black Circle, because within 4 minutes, okay, let's say for example, okay, you know which tire you want to buy. You go in, you choose a tire, choose your installation date and time, you pay, and you go. It's within 4 minutes, it's done
On your couch.
on your couch, and then you can go where about taking your kids, going watching a movie instead of time, or going online at Costco and so on and stuff like that. Because when you're going to go there, you're going to go. Then you're going, okay, but I don't have a tire. I have to come make them come, so you have to come back again.
Right.
So for us, it's easeability that
It's
and again, sorry, Olivier. Again, is people tend not to see what's coming. I have two daughters. My daughters are born in 2003 and 2007. They're born with an iPhone. So when they want something,
Yeah.
they go on the phone. They want a movie. They want a pair of jeans. They want stuff, and so on. Tires is no different. Cars are no different. Those people are turning 20 years old right now.
Yep.
They're not gonna go kick tires like we did.
No,
They're not
no.
gonna go shop a car and go do 5 dealers.
Yeah.
They're gonna go online because that's how they used to be. And people like us, that's where we're at, and that's where we're coming to play.
Well, the the phenomenal thing about your website is, if I'm that kind of analytical person, and I'm not, but there's some people out there that are very analytical and very proficient, and they want to compare. They want to see, why is this tire the best, and why is this the greatest tire, and how does this compare? You have that option that they can click and compare tires right on the website.
There's ratings also, real world ratings
Yeah.
that we get from customers who purchase the tires. These are not fake reviews; they're actual reviews that we get from the customers who bought the tires, and we ask them to review it all throughout the life of the tire. So after 3 months, we ask for a first review. After a year, we ask for a second review, and after 2 years, we ask for a third review. So you can see how well the tire is performing as you use it,
Or not performing.
or not, or exactly.